Good morning, students. Continuation of the chapter Geometric Progression. Geometric Progression. GP. Right. What's a geometric progression? A geometric progression is one in which the ratio of any term to its predecessor is always the same number. This ratio is called the common ratio. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. All of you look at the board. Here the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, etc. Here, A is the first term, 2 is the first term and 4 is the second term. Then the common ratio is 4 by 2. That is equal to 2. Agree? Or third term divided by second term. That is also 2. Therefore, this is a GP. The next one is the nth term of a GP. Let AR square, etc. be the GP. Then the nth term AN is equal to A into R raised to N minus 1. A into R raised to N minus 1. Understand? Write down the question. Write the GP whose fourth term is 54. Fourth term is 54 and seventh term is 1458. Fourth term is 54 and seventh term is 1458. If AN is equal to A into R raised to N minus 1, therefore fourth term A4 we can write A into R raised to 3. 4 minus 1, 3. That is equal to 54. And the seventh term means A R raised to 6 is equal to 1458. In the case of GP, if two equations are there, then second divided by first. Remember that point. Second divided by first means A and A cancel. R raised to 6 by R raised to 3 means A raised to M by A raised to N is A raised to M minus N. Therefore, R cube is equal to, when you divide 1458 by 54, you will get to 27. Check the answer. 27. Then how can you write 27? 27 means 3 cube. Therefore, equating the base, you will get R is equal to 3. Right? R is equal to 3. Finish. When you write R is equal to 3, then you have to write R is equal to 3 in the first equation. Therefore, you will get A into R. 3 cube is equal to 54. Okay. That is A into 27 equal to 54 means A equal to 54 by 27, 2. If A is equal to 2 and R is equal to 3, then you can write the GP as 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, etc. This is the answer. Understand? Then next question, write down. Insert 3 geometric means between. Insert 3 geometric means between 3 and 3 by 16. Insert 3 geometric means between 3 and 3 by 16. You can write that the first term is 3. Then insert 3 geometric means, therefore G1, G2, G3, then the next one is 3 by 16. Okay. Therefore, equating, you will get A is equal to 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth term is A5 equal to 3 by 16 means A into R raised to 4 equal to 3 by 16. Okay. Therefore, 3 into r raised to 4 equal to 3 by 16. Then 3 and 3 cancel. You will get r raised to 4 equal to 3 and 3 cancel. 1 by 16 means 1 by 2 raised to 4. Isn't it? 1 by 2 raised to 4, you can write 1 by 2 the whole raised to 4. Therefore, you will get r is equal to 1 by 2, right? R is equal to 1 by 2. Then substituting here, all of you look at the first line. Here the first term is 3. Then the second term, how can you find the second term? It is a GP, therefore, first term into common ratio. First term into 3 into 1 by 2. What is the answer? 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2, 3 by 4. Isn't it? 3 by 4. Then the third one is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. That is 3 by 8. Then the next one is 3 by 16. Therefore, our aim is to insert 3 GM between these two numbers. Means first we assume let the numbers be G1, G2, G3. Here A equal to 3 and A R raised to 4 equal to 3 by 16. You have to find R. If A and R is there, how can you write the sequence? First into common ratio gives second. Second into common ratio gives third. Third into common ratio gives fourth. Okay. The next important point, all of you write. Arithmetic mean and geometric mean, right? The relation between AM and GM. AM, arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Look here. If two numbers are in AP, all of you write. If two numbers are in AP, then arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. If two numbers are in AP, then arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. If two numbers are in GP, geometric mean is equal to root AB. Write this. Geometric mean is equal to root AB. Okay. Then write one question from that section. Find two numbers whose arithmetic mean is 34 and geometric mean is 16. 16. Arithmetic mean is 34 and geometric mean is 16. Can you say what is the answer? Arithmetic mean between two numbers? Yes. A plus B by 2 equal to 34. From that, A plus B is equal to 68. Keep it there. Then take the next part. Geometric mean between the numbers means root AB equal to 16. Isn't it? Squaring, you will get AB equal to 16 square is 256. Now, can you say what is the answer? A minus B the whole square? A minus B the whole square is A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. All of you understand? A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. Then, what is A plus B? 68 square minus 4 into 256. Those who want to use the calculator, you can use the calculator. 68 square minus 4 into this, the final answer 3600, right? From that, A minus B equal to root of 3600 means 60. From the first line, we know that A plus B equal to 68. You can take that to equation. A plus B equal to 68 and A minus B is equal to 60. Then on adding, 2A equal to 128. Agree? Therefore, A is equal to 64. Very simple. A is equal to 64. Then substituting in the second one, B is equal to 68 minus 64. That is equal to 4. What's our question? Find two numbers. Therefore, the numbers are 64 and 4. Right? Therefore, the numbers are 64 and 4. Okay. Now listen the next question. For what value of x? Right. For what value of x? The numbers minus 2 by 7, comma x, comma minus 7 by 2 are in GP. For what value of x? Minus 2 by 7, x and minus 7 by 2 are in GP. Below right. If three numbers are in GP, if three numbers A, B, C are in GP, then B square, middle term square equal to product of the extremes. B square equal to AC. If three numbers given, then B square equal to AC. Therefore, here the middle number is x square. Isn't it? Minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. 7, 7, 2, 2 minus minus plus 1. What is the square root of 1? Yes, plus or minus 1. Understand? Therefore, the value of x is plus or minus 1. Finish? Then write the next part. Sum of n terms of a geometric series. Sum to n terms. Sn is equal to. We know that the geometry progression is AR square, etc. Isn't it? Here our aim is to find the sum. That means A plus AR square plus etc. Sn is equal to, right? Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 by R minus 1. A into R raised to n minus 1 by minus 1. The condition is R greater than 1. If the common ratio is greater than 1, you apply this formula. Or A into 1 minus R raised to n by 1 minus R if R less than 1. If R less than 1, you can apply this formula. Finish. Then, write down the question. Find the sum of 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus etc. to 10 terms. Here, which is the first term? A is equal to 4. And how can you find the common ratio? Second term divided by first term. That is equal to 1 by 2. And here given n is equal to 10. Isn't it? Therefore, the question is find S10. S10 and R is less than 1. Therefore, which formula you apply? A into 1 minus R raised to n by 1 minus R. If R less than 1, this 1 by 2 is less than 1. Therefore, A, what is your A? 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to 10, the whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the answer is 4 into 1 minus 2 raised to 10 means I think 1024, isn't it? By 1 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Right. Here division means take the reciprocal of the second and multiply means 4 into 2, 8. All of you got it? 8. 1024 minus 1 by 1024 when you take the LCM. That is 8 into 1023 by 1024. Isn't it? This is, if it is 1024, you can write 1. 8 into 1. Therefore, you can write 8 approximately. Or you must divide this using the calculator, then write the correct answer. Okay, students? This is the way to find sum of n terms, sum of n terms. Then write the next formula. Sum of an infinite geometric progression. Sum of an infinite geometric progression. Right. Here, a plus ar square plus etc. to infinity plus infinity. The n term is not given. In that case, you can write an easy formula. Sn is equal to, or not Sn, S infinity, sum to infinity. S infinity is a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. Okay. We'll study this formula. S infinity is a by 1 minus r. Then, next one. Right, the next very important question. Find the sum of n terms of the secants. N terms of the secants eight, right, 8, 88, 888, 8888, etc. What's our aim? Find the sum of n terms of the series. Here sequence is given. Sn is equal to, right, 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888 plus etc. Right. Yes, sir. Sum to n terms. Then the last sentence you have to write to n terms. To n terms. That is important. Then, look here. Here all the terms contains 8, isn't it? Therefore, the next step is take 8 outside from all the terms. When you take outside, you will get 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 plus etc. to n terms, etc. to n terms. Understand, students? What's the first step? Take 8 outside. Then you will get 8 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. to n terms. The next step is multiply and divide by 9. What's the next step? Multiply and divide by 9. When you divide by 9 means you can write 8 by 9. When you multiply by 9 means 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 9999 plus etc. to n terms. All of you right? Very interesting problem. 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus etc. The next step is 8 by 9 is already there. We can write this 9 as 10 minus 1. Put a bracket there. Okay? Then 99 means 100 minus 1. 999 means 1000 minus 1, etc. to n terms. Okay. What's the next step? We can write this 9 as 10 minus 1, 99 as 100 minus 1, 999 as 1000 minus 1 plus etc. to n terms. Now we can write this as 8 by 9 into, all of you look at the board, 10 plus 100, we can write 10 square plus 10 cube plus etc. to n terms 1 part. We separate this sequence as 10, 100, 1000 like that. 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus etc. to n terms minus of, minus is there, minus of 1 plus etc. to n terms, right? 1 plus etc. to n terms. Now all of you look at the board. 8 by 9 into, what about this series? 10, 10 square, 10 cube, etc. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. That sequence is a GP, isn't it? GP, here A is equal to, right in the working column, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. R is equal to 100 by 10. That is also 10. A is 10. R is 10. Therefore, what is the formula? R 10 means greater than 1. A into R raised to n minus 1 by R minus 1 minus of 1 plus etc. to n terms we can write n. Okay. Now here you can substitute. You can substitute. How can you substitute that? All of you look here. 8 by 9 into, what is your A? 10 into R is 10 raised to n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus n. Okay, students? Therefore, 8 by 9 into, this is 10 by 9 is there. 10 by 9 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus n. All of you look at the board. Look here. The final answer is 8 by 9 into 10 by 9 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus n. Suppose the question is 777. Then take 7 outside. Then the final answer 7 by 9 into 10 by 9 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 1 minus n. Okay. Only change the numbers. This question is very important. Study well. Now, this chapter, almost all the problems finished. Study well. God bless you.